Attention managers, I have some exciting news that will make your lives much easier. We have implemented a solution that can streamline your HR and payroll processes, saving you valuable time on those manual administrative tasks. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to juggle HR management, payroll, and compliance, then this is a solution you've been waiting for. It's called the QuickBooks Factorial Integration. By integrating our HR software, Factorial, with QuickBooks Payroll Online, you can simplify your HR operations and enhance your payroll processes. This means less time spent on paperwork and more time focusing on what really matters. Let me break it down for you. With this integration, you can automate your HR processes and bid farewell to the stress of manual payroll errors. Creating employee accounts becomes a breeze, and onboarding new hires becomes smoother than ever. Imagine this. Whenever you add an employee in Factorial, their QuickBooks payroll account is automatically generated. No more duplicating efforts or worrying about inconsistent data. The best part? Your payroll processing becomes more efficient. With employee accounts seamlessly created in QuickBooks Payroll through this integration, you can concentrate on accurate and timely payments, ensuring that your team gets what they deserve. I can hear you asking, does this mean no more tedious data entry? Yes, you heard it right. The integration eliminates the need for manual data entry, guaranteeing accurate employee information in QuickBooks Payroll. Now let's talk about onboarding new hires. As soon as we add a new employee in Factorial, their QuickBooks Payroll account is automatically created. It streamlines the entire onboarding experience, freeing up more time for us to focus on other important aspects. QuickBooks Payroll Online is a reliable tool for automating payroll calculations, generating pay stubs, handling payroll taxes, and facilitating direct deposits. And when we combine it with Factorial's HR management software, we have a powerful duo that simplifies your HR tasks and empowers both employees and HR. Are you ready to embrace this game-changing integration for your HR department? Let me show you how to get started. First, install a QuickBooks integration and link it with your Factorial account using the company ID. From there, every time you add an employee in Factorial, their QuickBooks payroll account will be automatically generated. It's a seamless process that will revolutionize how you handle payroll. So let's embrace this new way of working. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with other managers who could benefit from this game-changing integration. Don't wait to get started. Click the link for your free 14-day trial at Factorial today.